Opportunities, what within the bank nifty? I'm keen to know, Kunal, your view on Bajaj Finance. I won't ask you about Bajaj Housing Finance, not enough data on the charts, but let's talk about Bajaj Finance. The quarterly updates have shown some signs of weakness, but there were some notes which were fairly positive today on it as well. Morgan Stanley has a target price of 9,000 rupees. Do you see that coming in at any point? And are the current levels one at which you would look at a Bajaj Finance?
So Tamanna, I'm honestly lucky to come again on our channel and keep discussing about the counters. Last week only Neeraj Bhai was asking about Bajaj Finance and the counter was trading near to 7770. And the only observation which actually saved was January 2024 high was 7770 and we are near to that level. So I was not really keen to buy and see the decline in just 2 days. It's near to 7,150. Now from this level, again, it's in between, neither near the support nor near the resistance. I'll avoid this counter for now. I think there seems to be a little more room on the lower side. 6,800 to 6,900 is a level to watch out for. If Bajaj Finance reaches near those levels, again, I'll definitely think of initiating a buy. But as of now, I'll avoid this counter, not catching the falling knife for sure. For a trader also, it's advisable to think of shorting opportunities. Stop loss can be 7,400. Targets, as I mentioned, near the support, that 6,800 can be good trade for Bajaj Finance.
Bajaj Finance, while the numbers weren't, anything like they have been over the last at least 10 odd quarters, it's the lowest sequential growth number. But, brokerages, analysts, all of who are quite constructive in that sense. Citi had a 11% upside. Of course, stock has tanked nearly 4% post that, so now likely that upside is 15% plus. But the reasons for that is what they believe. While AUM growth has moderated, Citi is saying it's moderated on expected lines. The new loans booking or new loans booked have fallen on a sequential basis, but that's on an elevated base. They're expecting margins to come off by around 14 bips or thereabouts in Q2 FY25. They're watching out for that. Credit costs are also expected to be elevated. So honestly, the positives here are limited, at least the way Citi is looking at it, even though target price is at least 8,257 is what Citi believes. Morgan Stanley too, very similar. They've maintained overweight. They believe loan growth was healthy and was above their estimates. They're expecting Bajaj Finance to clock a 27.5% growth in FY25. Customer acquisition, this is one piece which stood out, was better than the target set by Bajaj Finance. Likely for full year FY25 will be better as well. And Q2 FY25 will be weak is what they believe due to higher credit costs. They are expecting credit costs to be hiked, in fact guidance to be hiked. But they are expecting FY26 to show good profitability. 20% plus is what Morgan Stanley believes. 9,000 is their target price. So some bit of upside from here is what Morgan Stanley sees on Bajaj Finance. Of course, we'll take views on that. But let me switch focus to the one sector which has been extremely resilient through the day today. We have the theme of the day, the IT pack for sure. It's jumped in trade. Rucha joins us with what's on, because